Yeah, yeah, nah. Yeah, yeah. Right on this. Feel it. Oh, na, na, na. Feel it. Oh, na, na, feel it. Oh, na, na, na. Feel it. Oh, na, na. I hold you down, I hold you down. Gone like a G support.
To my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a video. I know I've been away for a very long time and a lot of people have been asking me what happened to all my old videos. I've deleted them. I'm revamping my channel. I'm redoing everything because I feel as if those old videos I wasn't genuinely being myself. So today I just felt like, okay, I'm ready. I think I'm ready to restart. I'm not gonna make any promises with how many times I'm gonna upload and the consistency level and things like that, but I just thought this will be a fun video because people have been asking about my hair about a year and a half ago or something like that in Las Vegas. Oh, that's another thing. I moved out to Atlanta, so I'm now out here in Atlanta. I was previously living in Las Vegas. Some of you guys know that, some of you guys don't, but now I'm out here in Atlanta. I'm living out here, and so far I could say so far so good, but that's another story. I'll get into that at a later date. Anyway, so like I was saying, a lot of people have been asking me, how did I grow back my hair so quickly? I literally went pixie cut style, short, like no hair, almost no hair on my head. And now, as you can see, I have a full head of hair on my head. When I straighten it, it comes about to like right here. I'm gonna do a straight hair routine for you guys so you guys can see exactly how I, straighten my hair at home and how to prevent heat damage. As you can see, there is a little heat damage in front by my bangs area, but I'm working on that. It's not as bad as it could have been, so I can say that so far so good when coming to the heat damage in that area. So like I said, I'm working on that. I'm trying to figure things out, whatever. But today I'm coming to you with a wash day routine, what I use to wash my hair and what I use to curl my hair. It's nothing fancy. I don't use like fancy product, but I am very consistent with keeping up with my hair. And also I do take a certain vitamin, which I'm going to get into with you also. So first things first, I get in the shower, rinse my hair, shampoo and condition it. I use the Argan oil plus Moringa oil shampoo, which looks like this. So you can get this at like Sally's and things like that. Then I also use the Argan oil plus Moringa oil conditioner, which looks like this. Excuse my nails too. So with those two, with these two products, it leaves the hair really soft. It adds shine to it. So I really like these two products combined together. And then after, what I do use is the Moisture Hydrating Lotion, and it's for beautiful coils and curls for natural growth. And this is how that looks. So after I do the shampoo, the deep condition, I come out the shower and I will first oil my scalp. So you can use any oil. I like to use coconut oil. I also like to use Jamaican castor oil, which is really good also. And then I will sit underneath the dryer. So I have a hair dryer. I will sit underneath for 10 to 15 minutes to just let it sink in my hair follicles and things like that. And once I get out, I will then moisturize with the hydrating lotion to get my curls back and popping, and then I'll use some gel. You can use Eco Style styling gel. That's one of my favorites, but I just don't have that right now. And then I use the Coral Stretch made with shea butter, and I combine those in my hair to get these beautiful curls. But I have not added the hydration lotion, so I'm gonna add it on camera so you guys can see. So this is how my hair look currently. These are just regular, I didn't put anything in there yet. This is just pre-dried curly hair out the shower, washed and conditioned. and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna add the So Much Moisture Hydration Lotion to my curls.
I hold you down, girl, like a G is supposed to. Hold you down, I hold you down, girl. You know I never let go. Me not let go. Me not let go. Yeah.
And this is like if you're in a rush and you have to be out the house and you just need something fresh and kind of, you know, funky, Afro funky and natural, you can do this really quickly. On my regular days, I will go like part the hair and go through it and then make sure it's all of it is getting in there. This is what I'm working with now. So this is gonna dry and then it's gonna puff up and be cute and all of that good stuff. And on top of that, these things smell good. Another thing that I do use to wash and shampoo, to shampoo and condition my hair is the Penten Pro V Repair and Protect. I was surprised that these two things actually works well with my hair. So this is how it looks, like this. And you can get this at your local Walmart, your local Walgreens, your local Ultra Beauty, wherever you can get this. So I was just, when I tried this product, I was really shook at how soft it left my hair and how it popped my curls. So I was really quite happy about that. And again, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. That's my mom trying to figure things out back there. But these two combined together is like heaven. So if I'm not using this one, I'm using this one. And I'm telling you, for natural girls, I don't really know the my hair type. Is a combination of something. I don't know what it is as yet. I'm gonna try to figure that out and come back to you guys. But this really works well with my hair. I'm telling you guys, invest your coins into this, and it's not even that expensive. I think it's like $6 something for these two things combined. I absolutely love it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Looking forward to coming back with more video, more content for you guys. And again, I'll tell you the story of how I ended up from Las Vegas in Atlanta and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for all the juicy juice. And then I'm gonna do a get to know me tag, because there's a lot of new people on my channel that don't really know who I am. And and I want them to get to know who I am. So thank you guys so much for watching. I miss and love you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Kill beats, let's go.